Hi, my name is Asank and you are watching MCT Things. In this part of video, we'll write a program, in fact recursive program, so that we'll find the sum of n natural number. So to write the program, I'll use Visual Studio Code. So let's open first the Visual Studio Code. I'll use Java program. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna go create a new file, that is sum.java. Sum.java. And first of all, I'll create a class, that is class sum, capital S, class sum. Okay, and this sum class I'll create main function, public static void main, and then we have string args. And this function will in this class will define functions by which we'll be able to return the sum of n natural numbers. So first of all, let's write the formula way. Okay, so this is, let's write a function private static int sum formula, and this is int, and I'm taking n as parameter. And now what we have to do, we just have to return the formula, that is n star in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. That's all. This will return sum of n natural number. To check it, I'm gonna go call this function, and to print the method, to print any value, we use system.out.print line in Java. To print any value, we use system.out.print line in Java. So let's call this function sum for, and for value of n I'm passing parameter, let's take 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, it should return 21. Okay, so let's save the program and now run it. So I'm writing, to compile the program, this is java c space sum dot java, java c space sum dot java. Let's compile the program. Okay, let's compile. Now java space, to run the program, class name, that is sum. Okay, 21, that's correct. Now let's write the iterative way. So in iterative way, we'll write like that: private static int sum itr. Okay, sum itr, and in sum itr I'm passing parameter int n. Okay, and I'm taking another variable, that is int sum equal to 0, and I will run loop from 0 to n. Like we have to run a number from 1, we have to some number from 1 to 5, then I'll run loop from 1 to 5. Okay, so for n int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, and then I plus plus. Okay, and now return, sorry, not return, we have to update the value of sum, then sum plus equal to I. That means each time we are adding I to sum. Okay, and in last, return what? Return sum. So that's all. This would be a function. So return the sum of n natural numbers. Okay, let's call it sum itr. Okay, I'm calling sum itr. Save the function and now run. So with any luck, this function should also return 21. Okay. Okay, let's check it for another values. Okay, so I'm writing 10. So this function for value of 10, it should return 55 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot 10 plus 10 equal to 55. Okay, so this is 55. That's correct. Now let's write the recursive way to return the sum of n natural number. So I'm writing recursive way. And now I'm gonna go make a function private static int sum recr. Okay, and this function I'm gonna go take the parameter int n, and this one I'm gonna go write it like that: if n is less than or equal to 1, then we have to return n, or else we have to return what? Sum recr n minus 1, and each time we have to add n plus n. That's all. This would be our function. So this will be our recursive function to find the sum of n natural number. Let's call and check this function. So sum recr, sum recr. So sum recr. Okay, so there is an error. What's that? The function is this error is saying that sum dot java not a statement. Okay, that's not a statement. Okay, yes, I have forgotten the return statement, so this should be return. Okay, that's all. Now that's correct, there is no problem. Okay, now okay, compiled successfully. Now this is 55. Let's check it for another values like 6. So I'm gonna go save it and then check it for another values like sum.java and then sum. That's correct, 21 is correct. Okay, so this was the program to finding the sum of n natural number by formula way, iterative way and recursive way. Hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel.